Third period. Good morning. Did I ask? Just kidding. Don't say that to each other, guys. That's not nice. Be nice to each other today. Okay, so instead of using a written agenda, I'm doing a video agenda today. Hope you like it. Test on Thursday. Overall, not bad. A lot of C's. 1A, and I would like to see more people up in the high B range. So to start off, I want you guys to do the test tough ones from Unit 2. You may work individually or in pairs to come up with the right answer, and then we'll go over it tomorrow. All right, now you have the CNN 10 here. That comes last, because the next thing I want you to do is go to voting and elections. I want you to open this up, and I want you to bring up the slide presentation and take notes from the presentation. I expect everybody to finish taking notes today in class. You need to have this done by tomorrow. No, you need to have it done by the end of class so it's ready for tomorrow. Then you may do CNN 10. Watch it and answer the questions on here. When you're finished, you may work on your project, which is due today. You may play Immigration Nation. Or you may do a citizenship crossword puzzle that I've left. That should take up the whole class period. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. We'll go over the tough ones and then get into our new unit on voting and elections, guys. All right. Hey, take care. Comb your hair.